Today, Reverse Bick Veneer Group will start brainstorming and sketching a few ideas for planning later on. So, we should start. Wall section.
Yep.
So,
How many bricks are going to go up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 or 8 bricks?
yeah. And then put the window in the middle.
Yep.
And
Then
we'll try and get what we're going to do for flashing.
We'll get a piece of flashing from home somehow.
Yeah. Find an offcut.
I think we should just make a basic roof.
Yeah.
Keep it simple. I don't think structurally it doesn't have to be stable.
Yeah.
Just in terms of waterproofing
Yeah.
and how to water line. So we can go for these. Put a rafter here.
Yeah.
And just do shooting straight on top of it.
Yeah.
And then just the gutter. Even if you just map the gutter to the rafters on either
Yeah.
side.
And so, how wide do you actually want to make the wall?
I think we said minimum a metre. You know.
Alright.
But it'll be long. It'll be bigger anyway because we have to
put the
fit,
window hole in
fit
it,
a
so
window
maybe
in.
make it 2 meters.
Subject to how much bricks I've got.
Okay. Now from our sketching, we've modelled on Herbert Brick Veneer house. So basically, we've got the external skin as weatherboard cladding. The internal skin is brick veneer. So that's our 3D model there. We've also got some dimensions we're going to be going off for our 1:2 scale. This will be the south elevation you'll be seeing from the outside, and that's just the basic cross section of what we'll be looking at.
Thank you.
So I have to find another piece that we need for the window frame.
Frame.
Maybe you use this bit that we thought we were going to use.
Yeah.
And cut that.
Yep.
And then stick that on it. And use that as the window sill on the window frame.
We've got a few more pieces, so we can use this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's enough.
That can be like the head. Yeah. Sill.
And then we're gonna work on the cladding.
Yeah.
So what's the cladding?
Just make sure you don't lift the timber up when you're cutting it. I might not hold it because I think 2 people holding it's worse than 1. Just support it there.
I reckon it looks good, Harrison?
Yeah, I reckon.
Out the front a little bit.
It's looking pretty straight.
Okay, so.
So we're up to the window opening now. So do you think 2 brick courses
Yeah,
wide?
I reckon we've got 2 brick courses.
Yeah.
And then we have a bit of a brick frame here.
Alright. Sounds good to me. Get it? Yeah. I think that should be good enough. Is it? Yeah.
We don't have a window, so we're just going to use a bit of plastic as opposed to glass. And Harrison's just hammer it in. Just going to hammer in a screw.
We need some flushing for there as well.
So on the here.
Yeah.
But I think we need to move it up to here, right?
Yeah, out onto the
Yeah.
wood.
Out
Onto the
in?
timber.
Yeah.
Onto the timber.
Onto the cladding.
Wood. Yeah. So should we start the timber now, do you think? Or should we keep just building this up.
Let's keep building it. What time is it? Yeah.
3:30.
Quick, quick,
Okay.
quick.
Let's just keep building.
Okay.
Should we do like this? Yeah.
And then how we're going to support this one? Oh, with the next one.
Just break it in half.
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Hammer. Right away. So what we're going to do now is put another layer of brick on top of this lintel, and then we use this framing for our cladding. Cool.
With a 40mm cavity.
Alright.
We're just cutting the plastic to put over the frame so there's no moisture getting in through behind the weatherboards. Okay, so put the external wall into place now. And
That's your leg, yeah.
line,
Measure out the window,
measure out the window, yeah.
and then we'll cut out the plastic, and then we'll put 2 studs, so we'll finish off the cladding.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll put the roof on.
Last piece of our jigsaw. Oh, beautiful.
Let go.
Straightened up a bit. Yeah, that's it. What do you reckon?
I reckon that's looking pretty good. We just need a gutter, but I don't think we can afford it. Do a full shot of everything. Should we talk about it?
Yeah, how about we...
As you
Don't
can
take
see,
over the door. And don't get the food. Maybe stand and look at it. Yeah, don't get all the food.
it's pretty waterproof, as you can see. I think that's really good. Don't turn it up? Oh, just like...
Turn off.
Oh, crap.
Cleaning it.
This is the final state of our group reverse brick veneer. Most of the material that we're using here, like example here, we're using the recycle of fencing. Like compare if you buy the cladding from the shop, it's like 3 times expensive than you just bought it from the second hand, like from fencing. And we just cut it off to make it look neat and laying cladding down a little bit. And for the roofing, we also using the second hand, but we have to find some like a little bit good, no hole, anything inside. And then next,
To add on to what Oi was saying, it's more sustainable to use recycled materials rather than buy more because they have more embodied energy. And I think the reverse brick veneer is also better because it performs, well, it's a good option because it performs better than double brick. In winter, the heat can be stored in the bricks internally and released, and in summer, you don't get the direct sunlight onto the bricks to warm up and then warm up the house inside.
Furthermore, just on top of that, with double bricks, I mean with this reverse brick veneer, you have more options with cladding. You can use timber or you can use something else. Also has a good weatherproofing. We've got the cladding itself, insulation, flashings, as well as brick. It's also quick and easy to install. So once you're putting the frame up for the house, you can quickly put the bricks up because they don't have to look nice. The bricklayers can lay it really quickly, so there's less damage to the internal structure. Also cost effective, being only using second-hand bricks, and as always said, recycled products. So I think all in all, it's a pretty good design. It works well, and it's cheap too. So can't really beat that.
Yeah.